So as Fiso now, are you still like, fuck it, I'm gonna give the people what they want, I'm gonna stay true to myself, or fuck it, I'm gonna play to the industry and please all these people so I don't have any more smoke? Like, where you at now? Like,
The
where you
thing
at
is
now?
with me, if you know me, ungangibuza ungafuni ukuyizwa. Soul will tell you that. So don't ask me if you don't expect my honest opinion or answer. Keep it to yourself. Umbuzelani. So this just said to me, you're on the right track, and the industry is just too fake. And I know these talentless superstars are too fake. And these talentless superstars go and take music from people and leave them elokishini. Did you get what I mean? And then come shine here and buy houses and whatever. I hate that. I'm gonna deal with them one by one. So if you're a superstar, fake superstar or talentless superstar that took a beat from somebody and you made the man alone, they go back and give back. Because I'm coming for you.
So you don't give a fuck?
No,
you are carrying on.
I'm just getting started.
You're the season taller of the.
No.
You're the season taller. You're the season taller.
Oh no.
You're the taller of piano. You're the season taller.
Like seriously, we're just getting started, dog. Dudu will tell you, dog, yo, we're just getting started, dog. Like I haven't, because I'm trying to like learn my co-hosts.
Yes.
And I love them, Taki and Munaga.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to build that chemistry a little bit before I make, I don't want to make the show about negativity and everything else. I want us to have like that chemistry, and you speak your mind, I speak my mind, Munaga and all that. Once we get that right, we will rock them with allegedly.
Man.
We will rock them. We will rock them with the legend.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend uSfiso walaphana ku Piano Pulse yamejing emva kokuthi attend the events lebela phela Limpopo kwandlula uLimpopo boy next to him wathi uzama kumbingelela uLimpopo boy ignore, and some people are saying ukuthi akambonanga, some are saying ukuthi he doesn't know him. So abantu abaningi njena felt ukuthi ayiqhavile lo mfana uyaphapha umlayile Limpopo boy, whether uyamadi or akamadi or umbonile or akamboni, siyathanda nje ukuthi tiyamkhalela uSfiso. uSfiso always talk about people. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi last month la i-boyfriend rather yajijila main uSizwe wangena lapha e-studio akwate ngemva kokuthi bathi girlfriend yakhe it's a downgrade from Oluthando. So now people are making fun of him, but I cha umlayilo Limpopo boy noma ngabe yamadi noma ngabe akamadi, but Mkalela, and people are making fun of him. People are making fun of that video. Everyone is just laughing, happy ukuthi cha finally Sizwe baze bamthola. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.